Spray a 9-inch square pan, put this up. Melt 1.5 sticks of butter, 3/4 cup. Four minutes. Turn off the heat, let cool 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, add 1/3 cup cocoa powder, 1.5 cup sugar. We're going to mix in 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 4 eggs. Oh, double yolk, that's good luck. Half teaspoon of salt. 1/4 cup flour. Take your 9-inch pan, pour the batter in. 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes in the oven. Check it's too big. We're gonna cool this off. Take the pan, 1 cup sugar, 1/4 cup water, bring to a boil. Medium heat, bring to a boil, medium high. Once this is a golden brown, we're going to turn down the heat and let it boil for 4 minutes more. I'm starting to see that light golden brown color. Go ahead, turn off the heat. 1/4 of a cup of cubed butter. That will melt evenly and quickly. And here, and this is going to bubble up, so be prepared for it. And 1/4 cup of cream. Keep stirring. Make sure that you get your brownies time to cool and pour this over the top. Now, Mediterranean sea salt. Put a little more on once it's cooled off. Put this in the fridge, let it cool, put it off to the side for 20 minutes before cutting and serving. Full disclosure, I overcooked the caramel a little bit. I was just following the recipe, but make sure to turn the heat down to medium-low. Only do a couple of minutes on the stove after it starts boiling, and your caramel will be a lot more saucy like it's supposed to be, okay? But either way, this is still very freaking delicious. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, watch one of my other ones. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time on Randy's Family Kitchen.